Hello everyone, myself Bhumi Patel, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we will study about the different types of control valve, unit number 4, control valves. So first of all, control valves, quarter turns control valve. In the last session, we have studied different types of linear control valve. And what is the linear control valve? The types of linear control valve is globe valve. We have different types of globe valve: single seated globe valve, double seated globe valve, three-way globe valve. So this is the linear control valve. Now what is the quarter turn control valve? So this type of valve is on the rotary motion. In most of the case, this rotation is limited to 90 degree for one quarter turn. So these are valves that operate using a large degree of rotation and more than two positions that are used to regulate the operation. Now valves which are used for the quarter turn are commonly closed at 0 degree and completely open at 90 degree. So this is the quarter turn control valve. It has mainly two positions, close at 0 degree and open at 90 degree, and rotation is 90 degree for one quarter turn. So which type of valve include in the quarter turn? The first one is the ball valve, the second one is the butterfly valve, and the third one is the plug valve. So this is the example of the quarter turn control valve. So first of all, we have studied the ball valve. So what is the ball valve? So ball valve is a sort of valve that controls the flow of a liquid or gas by means of rotary ball having a ball. So ball valve is one type of rotation motion and it is used for shut-off valve. Now we have the valve operation. The first operation of valve is start the flow. The second main operation of valve to stop the flow, and the third important operation of any valve is to regulate the flow. So using ball valve, we can only start and stop the flow of any type of operation. We cannot regulate the flow. So how the ball valve is working? By rotating the ball, a quarter turn means 90 degree around its axis, the medium can flow through or it is blocked. So this is the ball valve section view. Here you can see that this is the operator or the actuator, or it is a controlling devices where we can control the valve. Here ball valve is connected. So this valve is used for paper and pulp industry. So here you can see that this is the ball valve construction. In this video you can see that ball valve is whenever actuator or controlling device move or rotate 90 degree, the ball valve is in the open or in the close connection. Here you can see that the how ball valve is fitted in this device. So this is the controlling device. Yellow ball is connected, and this is the seat ring and the valve body, and this is the actuator or the controlling devices. Whenever it's closed, the flow is going through input to output, and whenever it open, there is no flow between input to output. Here you can see that whenever it is open, the path is closed, and whenever is the closed position, the path is open. So this is the simple construction of ball valve. Now next one is the advantages of ball valve. So first advantages is they provide leak proof service. Here you can see that we can use a ball in the valve body. So they provide leak proof service. There is no problem in leakage. Now open and close quickly. So the construction of ball valve is very simple. So we can open the valve and close the valve very quickly. Now compared to gate valve, they have very small dimension. In the gate valve, we can use different types of components, so the valve dimension is more, and in the ball valve the dimension is very small. Now next advantage is ensure a self cleaning action. Gate valve is itself a self cleaning action. Now these valves are manufactured in different size and shape, providing flexibility in selection. Whenever we select the ball valve, it is depend upon the which type of system we can connect the ball valve. We have used the different size and shape in the ball valve. Now the recovery of the ball valve is high, so pressure loss is very low, and compared to the other valve, they are controlled with the less force. So these are the advantages of the ball valve. Now disadvantages of ball valve. The first one is the position of the valve handle is rotated. Here whenever we controlling the ball valve, we can compulsory handle rotated. So this is the disadvantages of ball valve. Could not be used for throttling. Ball valve cannot be used for throttling. Now what is the throttling valve or throttling process? So in the throttling, we can use on, off and regulate. So using throttling, we can do this type of function: on, off and regulate. And the disadvantages of ball valve is only used for on the process or off the flow. So we cannot regulate the flow, so it could not be used for the throttling. Now next one is this valve with drive mechanism should be installed upright. So these are some disadvantages using ball valve. Now in the ball valve, we can also use a 3-way, 4-way and 5-way ball valve. We can also use for the special application, but it is very less common type of ball valve. Okay, now ball valve is best suitable for only on and off application, because in the ball valve throttling is not possible, so it is used for only standard application. Now in the ball valve we have only two positions, means two-way ball valve is generally used in the two position. Which type of position we can use? So in the two position we can use the open and close the valve, and it is used for shut off or isolation of a system. So the basic construction of a ball valve. So ball is connected between the seal and seat of the valve body, and the ball valve is rotated 90 degree to open the flow or stop the flow. So these are the construction of the ball valve. Now the next quarter turn valve is plug valve. So in the plug valve are the valves with cylindrical or conically tapered plug which can be rotated inside the valve body to control the flow through the valve. So this is the plug valve section view. Here you can see in this diagram we can connect the plug in the valve body. So the plugs in the plug valves have one or more hollow passageway going sideways through the plug so that fluid can flow through the plug when valve is open. So this is the plug valve operation. Here you can see that this is the open condition of the plug valve. So whatever fluid flow through the inlet, it's passing through the outlet. So this is the open condition of the plug valve. Now the second condition is closed condition of plug valve. Whenever the plug in the closed condition, there is no outlet flow. So this is the basic operation of. Now here the plug valve basic construction is given. So generally plug valve is working, the basic pressure is 50 to 500 psi. Okay, and plug valve is basically working a standard API 599 or API 16. This is the standards of the plug valve. Now the plug valve is installation for the closed position. Now in the plug valve the pressure is medium in the upside, and in the downside the pressure is high pressure. Now it is also used for the high temperature application. Whenever the high temperature in the inlet valve, the plug valve is in the open condition, and whenever the medium and the low temperature in the inlet flow, the plug is in the closed condition. So this is the plug valve. Now advantages of plug valve. So plug valve is robust and reliable. It is tight shut off. Same like ball valve, we can use the plug valve for the tight shut off application because we can use the plug in the valve body. Next advantage is the fast operation. The design is compact and it is used for bidirectional application. Now disadvantages of plug valve is it is a high friction at pressure which results in high operation torque. Plug valve is used for the high operation torque and reduction in through flow area. Disadvantages of plug valve is reduce the flow area. So this is the different types of quarter turn control valve. In the next session we have studied the multi-turn control valve. So in this session we have studied about the ball valve and plug valve. In the next session we have studied about the butterfly valve working and operation of the butterfly valve. Thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt, then contact me in this email ID.